How to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is obviously have an account on both of these apps. It's pretty similar apps, so you just want to go ahead and log into your account on both of these. Now first you can head over to PayPal, and then from here you can make a transfer. So let's just go ahead and tap on the transfer button. And once you've done that, it will show you a pop-up like this. Now you're going to have to make a bank transfer here. So tap on transfer to bank. And here you have an option to choose which bank you want to transfer it to. Make sure that you've connected that specific bank to your PayPal, your Cash App as well. Then you can choose if you want it to do in minutes, or if you want an instant transfer, or if you want it to be in 1 to 3 business days. Obviously, if you choose the faster version, it's going to cost you some money. So you can choose whatever you want. Now just tap on transfer, and then it will successfully transfer it on your bank. Now what you can do is just go to your Cash App and open it up. Now once you open up your Cash App here, all you have to do is tap on add cash, then enter the amount here. So let's say $150 that we just transferred from our PayPal. Then you can just tap on add and then tap on done. And as you can see here, it has successfully been added. Now once the cash has been added, the amount here right now, our balance has increased. That's pretty much it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.